How to fix this version of WhatsApp has expired error on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if we get the error message on WhatsApp saying that this version of WhatsApp has expired. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you get such kind of error, then that means the application needs to be updated. For that, you have to open up Play Store in your device. Navigate to the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. If you see any update next to WhatsApp, then make sure to install the available updates. Once you install all of the available updates, this will fix the expired version issue. But in case if that does not help you fix your issue, then you have to reinstall the WhatsApp application if there is no update available. So if you cannot find an update or if you are still seeing an error, first of all, make sure to back up your chats. So open up WhatsApp in your mobile device. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner and here tap on settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down a bit. And now tap on chats. Scroll down a bit, head towards chat backup and make sure to back up your chat. So once your chat is backed up, now you can delete WhatsApp application. Again, reinstall the application from the Play Store and that will help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.